What's going on, guys? It's Hayogarage here today, and basically all I'm going to be showing you is how to recharge your AC, because I know right now it is the summertime and most cars' ACs usually tend to break around now, or start running dry just because we're using it a lot. So basically all you're going to need today to actually do this, let me just head out quickly to my porch, is you just need a small AC can, R134, unless you got a car that's from 1999 or younger. You're just going to need this, and then you're also going to need, I just threw these away, you're also going to need just its actual kit. It's just a hose and a clamp. It's really easy to set up. Let me just grab it. So to work with this, all you got to do is pull it back when you connect it. On the Buick, here, let me show you guys where it is. On the actual Buick, it is located obviously under the hood where your AC lines are. Let's open this up. And then it's just located right about, can I turn up my ISO? No, I can't. Okay. So where you see the yellow rubber grommet, you guys can't see it. It's in a horrible lighting position. But here, let me see if my flashlight can help you guys out. But it's basically just a small tunnel, that's all it is. So if I can get my light in there anywhere, nope. Okay, well it's not going to help showing. But it's just a small little grommet, kind of like this one. You just got to unscrew it and then plug in the kit, and I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So now that I got a tripod set up, let's open up the latch and open up the hood. Okay, so now that we know what we're looking at, we're going to look for the low pressure AC line. So let me just get my tripod up here. And what we're going to look for is the AC line. I know mine is right here. Where are you? Right down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll take a photo of it and show it up on screen right now. But all you got to do is basically turn on your car. I'm not going to do that right now, just so I can show you guys what we're about to do. So you're going to turn on your car, and basically this piece right here is going to go into your actual car. Let's just raise this up a little bit. Oh. That good? Okay, perfect. So we're going to connect this line right here to it. You just pull back on this. Wear gloves just for your safety, but pull back on this, and this part's actually going to go into your bottle. So let's actually do it to the car. Okay, so now basically you're just going to let it run. You want to rotate it like this, just to get proper air flow in it. Okay, so now that I've completed it, closed the hood, time to get into the car. Where are my keys? There. So, when you go to start it, and you turn on the AC, it's actually a lot colder than what it was. You can feel the difference 100%. Okay, well that's the end of today's video. Basically, it's just a quick one. I thought, you know what, my AC needs redone. Needs to be recharged, sorry, and I never got it done, so why not do it for a video? Oh, get out of here, you ram. Get out of here. What are you trying to do here? Anyways, so yeah, that's basically all I had to do to get it recharged. Takes roughly 10 minutes, 15 minutes at most, so it's not like something you need to be like heavily on. I recommend bringing more than one bottle. I gotta go out and get one more, but like I said, shouldn't take you longer than 15 minutes. Some mechanic shops actually charge you a good 70, 80 bucks for it, when the tool and 2 bottles cost me a total of roughly 30 US? No, 25, 26 US. So it's not even that bad. Here in Canada, it's roughly 25 for just the kit, and then 2 bottles are like 13 bucks each. But I mean, if you go to Menards and those types of stores, you can find it for a lot cheaper. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if I helped any of you guys out during this horrible summer.